Hello friends! Today I'm back with a new project. Before I walk you through the finished love book, I would like to tell you more about the sponsor of today's video, which is Skillshare, an online learning community. In one of my previous videos, I showed you how to make this decoration with the help of an online class by calligrapher and illustrator Kimberly Schreck. In the course called Introduction to Modern Brush Calligraphy, you will learn basics and get useful tips on decorative lettering. This online class is perfect for beginners who don't have previous experience in calligraphy. After learning how to script the lowercase alphabet, you can start developing your own style. In the next course, you will learn useful tips for creating unique style which can be adjusted to different themes. This is especially important for me when I'm making scrapbooks that have different contents, as I'm able to add little notes or journaling to them. Calligraphy isn't the only topic on Skillshare. They offer thousands of different classes from illustration and crafts to photography and motivation. Classes on Skillshare are created specially for learning, which means there are no ads in between the videos. Join millions of creative and curious people for less than $10 a month with an annual subscription. First 1,000 of you to use the link in the video description below will get a free trial of Skillshare's premium membership. Thank you Skillshare for sponsoring today's video, and now let me walk you through the love book.
Show the limits with you right now. So what's your feelings? The city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in this world, gonna get it right now. People talk and tell what you wanna hear, they all disappear, they will let you down. So we better stick together, let's come whatever, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in this world, gonna get it right now. We only need the two of us together. We only need the two of us together. 'Cause we got love. 'Cause we got love. You wanna get to me close, why don't you do it right now? You know we met for a reason, but you trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather, we're heading for tonight. You better take what you can, 'cause the time is right now. We only need the two of us together. 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 'Cause we got love.